Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Binance to NFT platforms. First, ensure your chosen NFT marketplace supports Binance Smart Chain, as this is crucial for seamless integration. You'll need a compatible wallet, such as MetaMask, configured for the BSC network. This wallet acts as your bridge between Binance and the NFT world. Make sure your wallet is funded with BNB to cover transaction fees and any NFT purchases you plan to make. This setup ensures smooth and efficient NFT trading. Setting up your wallet correctly is the next vital step. Begin by installing the MetaMask browser extension and follow the prompts to create a new wallet. Remember to securely store your seed phrase. Next, you'll need to manually add the Binance Smart Chain network details to your MetaMask settings. This allows your wallet to interact with BSC-based NFTs. Finally, transfer the necessary amount of BNB from your Binance Exchange account directly to your newly configured MetaMask wallet address. This prepares you for your first NFT transaction. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: just like connecting your crypto, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They keep your food fresh and organized, perfect for busy days. You can find the link to these containers and other great deals in the video description below. They're a game changer for staying on top of your nutrition. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your wallet is ready, connecting to an NFT marketplace is straightforward. Head over to your chosen marketplace that supports Binance Smart Chain, such as PancakeSwap's NFT section or other BSC-compatible platforms. Look for a Connect Wallet button, usually found in the top right corner of the website. Click this button, then select MetaMask from the list of wallet options. Your MetaMask extension will prompt you to approve the connection. Always review these requests carefully before confirming. You are now ready to explore and trade NFTs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.